Hello, people. I don't have to go to work today. So I'm going to get me probably a turtle cranberry mixer and steak dinner from Culver's with mashed potatoes and broccoli. Mm-mm. Now I got the day off. I should have went to work. I forgot that it was going to be raining today. That's why I was going to work. Now I'm in this rain and I got the day off. So got to figure out something to do while I'm in this rainy day. So I'm going to film a little and I'm going to get something good to eat. And y'all have a blessed day. I'm deciding to have a fabulous day. And I was supposed to be like putting this stuff together in this plan, but I ain't did none of that today. I can't get the rain, the pitter patter of the rain and stuff. It's like we don't get much rain here. Like this rain here is unusual. It's been dry season like all year. Maybe you'll get 10 minutes of rain, then that's it. So I'm hungry. I think I'm gonna go in and get the food, get me something to eat. And y'all have a blessed day. Have an amazing day. God is the source of our supply. You hear that rain, y'all? This is like, wow. Be blessed, y'all. Oh, thunder with it too.